All right, you guys are doing great. Hey, listen, my dog just had puppies, and I thought, since you're covered with feces and I barely know you, I'd give you a delicate Snow White newborn puppy.
Okay, just don't give me to dead eyes over there, because I've already been killed twice in the other 2 stories, and I don't want...
Puppy!
Ah!
This puppy doesn't work.
Well, well, well.
As you can tell by the well, he's the bad guy.
Looks like we got us some new employees.
That's right, Curly. I hired him this morning.
Well, tell him to get out. This is where I practice my karate, because I'm a dick.
I understand you like to pick fruit. You ever pick something bruised and pear-shaped?
Fruit has seeds you can pull out.
Hey, Hodor, stop coming on to my slutty wife.
Look, I can tell by the fact that you wear a single Vaseline-filled leather glove that you're a reasonable man. So let's all take a deep breath and calm down.
No! Karate chop! Oh, damn it!
I tuck my jeans into my boots.
I'll get you, you stupid giant moron! Not great timing, I know, but can I leave early for a dentist appointment?
Well, hello there. If it isn't the sexy imbecile.
Oh, hi. Sorry about what I did to your husband earlier.
Yes, that was quite a hand job you did on him. You know, I'm not so bad at those myself.
I'm not gonna lie to you. You're wasting your double entendres on me.
I want you to destroy me.
Okay. I'm sorry, George. I didn't mean to kill the girl, and now the whole town's gonna hang me by a rope.
Oh, I would never let that happen.
Thanks. Tell me about the rabbits, George.
Yeah, sure thing. But while I do that, why don't you face away from me and count the stars?
Okay.
All right, so the B&B will have a rack of single-gear bikes for every guest. And yes, next to that, of course, is going to be the big giant rabbit hutch. Bye-bye, Lenny.